Good morning, Rubberneck fans. My name is Carrie, and I am here because today is Cameron's 41st birthday. So I've decided to take over his channel for one important reason, mostly to say, Happy birthday, honey, I love you. The second reason why I've decided to take over Cameron's channel is because last year he turned 40 years old. And when he turned 40 years old, we decided to have an entire weekend dedicated to Cameron and everything that he wanted to do. It was a really fun weekend, and ultimately he decided he wanted to be in Phoenix and race all of his cars and have a great time racing and drag racing. So he decided we were going to go down to the tracks and drag race. He wanted to bring his Capri, and that unfortunately did not work out because the Capri decided to break down 1 week before we got to Phoenix to do drag racing. So the Capri broke down. Cameron was pretty upset about it, but he worked through it and decided he was going to take the Cobra down to Phoenix. And we were going to spend the weekend drag racing. And on Friday night, we got down to Phoenix with the Cobra. His brother came out from North Carolina to meet us, and his other brother, Sheldon, was there as well, who lives in Phoenix. And we showed up at the racetrack for Friday night races, and the racetrack was closed. We didn't realize it was going to be closed. We didn't see it on their website. So Cameron didn't get to do any drag racing for his 40th birthday. So what we decided to do is we went over to K1 Speed Factory and we went go-kart racing. And in the process of go-kart racing, Cameron's wife may have won a couple of the races and beat Cameron. I didn't actually win the races overall. I'll have to go ahead and make that statement. His brother Brandon dominated the races. He won every single race consistently. And then Sheldon, his other brother, did really well too. Cameron also beat me a couple times, but you know, the wife did win maybe once or twice. And I'm going to put the proof on our race sheets, which I have saved for over a year now, just because I was pretty excited about it. This also may have caused a slight husband-wife feud. Cameron overall won the races time-wise for the entire race, but I had the fastest lap on a couple of the races that we did, and K1 does the first, second, and third place based on lap time, not overall race time, which we've obviously disagreed over for the last year. So I'm here today to challenge Cameron to another K1 race and see who wins. So as a fan of Rubberneck Garage, I would like all of you to help me with a couple things. If you could write down in the comments section, number one, who you think won. Was it Carrie or Cameron on the couple races? And I'm going to put the numbers up here for you. Do you think Carrie won or Cameron? And, you know, based on lap time or overall race time. And then number two, if you could answer whether or not in the comment section you would like to see a rematch between myself and my husband. That would be fun, and we will go ahead and film that and go down to Phoenix and race. And then the third question, if you don't mind answering for me, is whether or not you think 41 looks great on my husband. I think it does, and I'm super happy to be married to him. So question number one, who won the races according to the fact sheets that I've posted? Question number two is, would you like to see a rematch between myself and my husband? And maybe we can get some of the other people to show up to the races that were a part of his 40th birthday again, and that would be a lot of fun. And then question number three, if you could answer in the comments section whether or not you think 41 looks amazing on my husband, which I think it does. So other than that, I would like to wish Cameron a very, very happy birthday. I love you very much, honey. I can't wait to dominate the racetrack again in a couple weeks because I know everybody's going to want to see a rematch. And other than that, I'm very lucky to have been married to you for the last 20 years. We're coming up on our 20th wedding anniversary in March. And I love you and have a great day, Rubberneck fans. And as Cameron always says, always keep heads turning. Bye. So one other thing that I just thought of that I also wanted to say, since it's my husband's birthday, is that I am really excited, happy, and proud of you for putting this channel together. Standing here in the garage talking to myself is not easy, and holding a camera and doing all this, it's kind of nerve-wracking. So I'm really proud of you, honey. It's taken a lot of time and a lot of effort, and you've done a really great job. And my arm is also getting really tired from holding the camera. And I love you. Bye.